Hello and welcome to Digital Infovision, empowering careers with data and digital skills. Are you thinking about becoming a data analyst or already working in the field and want to level up your skills? In today's video, I'm going to share the top 5 tools every data analyst must know to stand out in the industry. Whether you're just starting or aiming to go pro, these tools will make your workflow faster, smarter, and more effective. Let's dive in. First up, Microsoft Excel, the king of data analysis. Don't underestimate it. From pivot tables and charts to advanced formulas and Power Query, Excel is the foundation for almost every analyst. Even in big companies, Excel is still heavily used for quick insights and reporting. So if you haven't mastered Excel yet, start here. Next, we have SQL, Structured Query Language. As a data analyst, you'll often need to pull data directly from databases. SQL helps you extract, filter, and aggregate data quickly and efficiently. Think of it as your superpower to communicate with databases. Third on the list, Python. Python isn't just for programmers, it's a game changer for analysts too. With libraries like Pandas for data cleaning, Matplotlib and AMP, Seaborn for visualization, and NumPy for calculations, Python allows you to handle massive datasets and automate repetitive tasks. If you want to go from beginner to pro, Python is a must-learn. Fourth, let's talk about visualization tools, Power BI and Tableau. These tools transform raw numbers into beautiful, interactive dashboards. Businesses rely on them to make data-driven decisions because they make complex data easy to understand. Whether you choose Power BI or Tableau, being skilled in at least one of these tools is essential for your career growth. And finally, GitHub. As analysts, we often work in teams, share scripts, and update projects. GitHub helps you manage your code, track changes, and collaborate seamlessly. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your portfolio to employers. Imagine having your own public repo filled with data projects. That's a recruiter's dream. So there you have it, the top 5 tools every data analyst should know: Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, and GitHub. Which one are you most excited to learn? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos about data analytics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.